Assalamualaikum, dear students. I welcome all of you in Islamic Agents once again. As you know, today we have a topic. It's a group discussion today. We have a topic: how we promote school physical classroom teaching and learning process. School physical classroom teaching, learning and process. As you know, most of the students by and large, they are preferring coaching centers, expensive coaching centers. They are spending huge money. Okay, they are going to online coaching centers. Most of the students, if we see who are, if we go through the different surveys, the students in junior class are very rich. So for this purpose, we would like to have a discussion program. We would like to have a feedback from students, from you, because you are the medical student and our students as well. We would like to know what is the basic factor, what is the basic cause. Why students, instead of having such a good infrastructure in government schools, especially I'm talking about, is such a good teachers, such a good lecturers, such a good facilities, modern teaching aids we have, but still most of the students, they prefer online coaching centers. They prefer coaching centers. For this purpose, we have organized a program here, how we promote physical classes in our government schools, especially government schools, physical classroom, okay, where students are physically present and teachers also are physically present. So my first question goes to Inayat Ayub. She's from Asham in class 11 arts. Inayat Ayub, my question to you, I need a simple feedback from your side. What do you think students prefer online classes or coaching centers or regular school classes? Why students prefer online classes or regular classes? What is your view about it? Please.
In my opinion, I believe that coaching centers provide focused preparation for a competitive exam.
Okay.
Online classes are flexible and save travel time. Some students may feel that school teaching is very slow or not that oriented. More pressure. Parents are also going to coaching centers. This might be one reason.
Okay. That's a good response from your side. I appreciate you. This may be the proper factor and cause of this, why students are preferring online classes. Very nice, appreciable answer, appreciable feedback from your side. I have so many students here who would like to also, give feedback, give their point of view regarding the same title. The second question goes to Abru from class 11th arts. Abru from class 11th arts. She is also a brilliant student. Abru, my question to you is, what do you like about classroom teaching in your schools? I'm talking about what do you like in your school. You are in model higher secondary school, so this is model higher secondary. And I can tell you so many features, so many characteristics, so many good things which this institution is having. That's why it has been titled as model higher secondary school. So I do my question, what do you like about classroom teaching in your school? What do you like?
Okay, sir. According to me, sir, interaction with teachers is more personal. School focuses on oral development, like supports, cultural events, etc. And our doubts, हमारे doubts clear हो जाते हैं face to face. And also sense of belonging with the classmates and classmates.
Oh, that means you are giving preference to co-curricular or extracurricular activities, which are integral part of education. I believe, and so many psychologists and philosophers, they believe that co-curricular activities are integral part of education. And in this institution, we are giving students access and opportunity to participate in such activities. Now, I would like to take a point of view, opinion from the Farhad Mushtaq. I would like to tell about this person, about this figure. He is the young and budding influencer because he has a very good talent and skills in making videos and all that. He's a very famous in our Sonawari, and I need his suggestion because he has a very good qualities and skills. Farhad Mushtaq Saab, he's from class 11th from our perhaps. So Farhad Mushtaq Saab, tell me, I need this point of view from your side. I have a question for you here. That why do you think students and parents are willing to spend a huge amount of money, okay, on coaching classes instead of depending on school classes? Please.
Sir, according to my point of view, I think parents and students need that coaching centers to have better results than schools. ये भी एक रीज़न है क्या इनको लगता है कि कोचिंग सेंटर्स है ये हमें ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं, ज़्यादा टाइम देते हैं, प्रिपरेशन करवाते हैं कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए। ऑन द अदर हैंड दूसरे जो स्कूल्स होते हैं वो फ्री होते हैं, बट हमारे अंदर वो जो है एक बात बन गई है दिमाग में बैठ के कि जो स्कूल्स है हमारे वो हमें जो है अच्छे से फोकस नहीं करवाते स्टडीज पे, टीचर्स अच्छे से जो है ध्यान नहीं देते। तो मेरे ख्याल से ये एक रीजन हो सकता है, दैट्स व्हाई पेरेंट्स स्पेंडिंग अ ह्यूज मनी ऑन कोचिंग सेंटर्स।
Okay, another casual question to you, Mr. Farhad. I need your feedback. क्या आपको लगता है कि जो कोचिंग सेंटर में या ऑनलाइन कोचिंग में वो टेस्ट सीरीज बच्चों को देते हैं, वो टू द पॉइंट, वो बच्चों को एग्जामिनेशन ओरिएंटेड पढ़ाते हैं, लेकिन उनको पता है कि ये बच्चा ही wants his objective is to qualify the NEET examination, वो वही पढ़ाते हैं। और अगर हम स्कूल की बात करते हैं, स्कूल्स में हम डिटेल्स पढ़ाते हैं। Do you think it could be a reason बच्चे ज़्यादा उस चीज़ को प्रेफर, क्योंकि ये भी देखने को आता है कि ये जो कहते हैं कोचिंग वाले वगैरह इनके जो बच्चे हैं ये बच्चों को फिर प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं इन्होंने नीट पॉइंट ऑफ अदरवाइज देयर आर सो मेनी ह्यूज number of students from the government institutions or qualifying NEET examination that too in serial first serial second serial in high grade. तो क्या आपको लगता है कि ये चीजें जो है इस चीज से भी जो टेस्ट सीरीज देते हैं
मैंने आपको पहले ये भी बोला कोचिंग सेंटर्स वाले करते भी ऐसा है ये जो बच्चे पे ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं इनको जो है कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करवाते हैं तो इसी वजह से बच्चे को लगता है नहीं हमारे कोचिंग सेंटर से वहाँ पे जो अच्छे से पढ़ाते हैं वहाँ पे ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं दैट्स व्हाई वो वहाँ पे ज्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं और जो ये कोचिंग सेंटर्स होते हैं ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज करते हैं अगर हम अपने स्कूल में टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज करेंगे तो मे बी जो स्टूडेंट्स या पेरेंट्स है वो मतलब जो अपने बच्चों को स्कूल भेजेंगे coaching centers.
Good. Your point is genuine. Coaching centers, because they are spending, they are investing huge amount in coaching centers. They are having smart board panels. Okay, they are having AI. They have different softwares.
Yes, sir.
ऐसे software जो premium softwares है, तो बच्चे तो कुछ that is the motivation factor. I often come because I am a psychology student myself. मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ बच्चों को कि बच्चा पहले एक टीचर को ये इंश्योर करना है कि ये बच्चा क्यों इंटरेस्ट नहीं क्लास में. He is having an attention deficit. Physically, most of the students they are present in the classroom, but they are not mentally present. They are someone else. They are not connected. Why so? Because मुझे लगता है classroom इतना interactive नहीं है, इतना attractive नहीं है, इतना motivation नहीं है. So इसको motivation, as you rightly said, इसको motivation बनाने के लिए we need to embrace modern technology like smartphones, like softwares, like AI tools, okay, like so many things जिसे हमारा जो classroom है, yes.
जैसे कि आजकल जो मतलब स्टूडेंट्स हैं इनको ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ है जितना ज्यादा अपनी स्टडी में टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज करेंगे उतना ज्यादा हमें मोटिवेशन मिलती है
Okay.
क्योंकि आज 2025 चल रहा है मॉडर्न दौर चल रहा है
बिल्कुल राइट.
इसकी वजह से जो है अगर हम क्लासरूम में देखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स जो बोर फील करते हैं सिंपल बोर्ड्स पे
Okay.
जब उनके आगे स्मार्ट बोर्ड होता है वो मतलब मोटिवेट रहते हैं नहीं हम कुछ कर रहे हैं ये भी
So brilliant students who have a good communication skills, who have a good communication level. I have a lot of all the students who are here, and the question goes to if she's from class 11th arts. If I have a question, I need your feedback from this question. What can be done to make school classes more interesting and useful for students? I will repeat, please have patience. Because I have actually, it took me at least 2-3 weeks to make this question here for you, so that it will be very much handy to the government of India to frame good policies which will improve the education system in government schools. Okay? So if I will repeat the question, what is your suggestions? What can be done to make school classes more interesting, useful for the students? More interesting and useful for the students. क्या कर सकते हैं हम स्कूल में जिससे ये बच्चे attract motivational हो जाएंगे?
Sir, as per me, we can organize some debates, group discussions, and we can organize quiz competitions, and we can also include some real life examples and demonstrations. Sir, and more important, we have to reduce rote learning because students doesn't like rote learning
Exactly.
process. Instead of this, we can increase practical learning. And sir, concepts को explain करने के लिए हम story telling methods use कर सकते हैं क्योंकि as a student जो story होती है वो इंसान को जल्दी याद रहती है और समझ भी आती है. और सर जो आज टेक्नोलॉजी का दौर चल रहा है हम क्लासेस में जो है PowerPoint presentations या animated videos create कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो क्रिएटिव हमारे पास है. तो सर हम ये चीजें कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ताकि जो हमारा क्लासरूम है they will be more interesting and useful for students.
You have raised a genuine issue. One point I got from your feedback is that कि एक चीज है, I just give an example of Jammu and Kashmir. बहुत सारे schools, there are so many institutions which are at times in modern era they are following the traditional educational methodology of teaching, conventional. वो तो competency based learning तो नहीं है. बहुत सारे ऐसे टीचर्स हैं जो बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, रूट लर्निंग करवाते हैं, रट्टा मारते हैं बच्चे और वो बच्चे वही एग्जाम में लिखते हैं.
This is boring time.
Boring time. With the result बच्चे की comprehension में वो 0 होता है. So that is actually the thing which actually deviates the students and distracts the students to attend it may be the major class to attend the regular classrooms because competency based learning is actually that learning which has so many other extracurricular activities like quiz, like debates, like literary activities, like group discussions, like we are doing this time. So इससे बच्चा क्या होता है? इससे बच्चा इंटरेस्टिंग होता है. Just teaching और learning को classroom में हम combine करते हैं. It could be the major reason the students are completely bored because it's not psychologically sound. When a student has a very minimum attention span, a student nowadays, has 10 minutes or 15 minutes attention span. 15 मिनट तक 10 मिनट तक बच्चा अच्छी तरह से attention रख सकता है. और बताएं इसकी distraction हो जाएगी because this would be the impact of the reels जो हम scroll करते हैं इसे impact पड़ता है हमारे दिमाग को. So we are not ready to listen to our teachers and most the other reason our teachers are not properly updated. Yeah, as you told them, there should be a smart classrooms, there should be a names, there should be a discussion, there should be every equipment. Today we have an AI based learning. We have AI tools. At least 120 AI tools we have. And NEP 2020 actually promotes the same that education should be competency based. Learning should be competency based. We should teach the students skills. Skills are more important. अगर हम कन्वेंशनल टीचिंग की तरफ देखेंगे ब्रूस बच्चे के साथ फेल इम्स मोर जबरदस्त इसको माँ बाप भी बहुत करता था नहीं यू आर फेलियर आपको कुछ नहीं आएगा आप कुछ मजदूरी वगैरह करो I consider what is my definition of failure. I never call failure. I call it challenge. Because हमारे वक्त में ये कहा जाता है कि failures are actually the ladders of the success. Failure is challenge. आपने एक ट्रायल से किया, इसको 2 ट्रायल लगे, इसको 3 ट्रायल लगे. So we should not make a tattoo. हम उस बच्चे को हमने इसको नहीं करना कि आप फेलियर आप तो फेलियर आपको कुछ नहीं आता है. So this is the problem in our society. We have a taboo that a person or a student who is not able to qualify examination, we call him he's a duffer, he's an idiot, he is no longer good student, he has got that IQ power. So this is this proposal here challenge. I would like to take last 1 minute response from your side as we are going to conclude this beautiful group discussion. What are your suggestions? What are your remedial measures as a student because you are at the hustle of years? आपकी सजेशन क्या है किस तरह हम इस प्रॉब्लम which is a problem according to my opinion this is a problem students are not attending because government is spending huge amount of money for a single student हमारे लेक्चरर हमारे टीचर्स हमारे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर जो है बहुत ही ज्यादा पैसा लेते हैं फंड्स बहुत ही यूटिलाइज होते हैं इस स्कूल के लिए वगैरह तो हम किस तरह इसको वापस लेंगे हाउ कैन द स्टूडेंट्स नाउ जॉइन physical regular classes in schools what's your opinion
sir according to me हमें अपने स्कूल में कौन सी चीजें चेंज लानी होगी जैसे कि जो स्टूडेंट्स वो अवॉइड करेंगे कोचिंग सेंटर्स को वो प्रेफर करेंगे स्कूल्स तो सर पहली चीज हमें क्या करनी चाहिए हमारा जो टीचर वो इंटरेक्टिव होना चाहिए जिससे कि बच्चे का इंटरेस्ट बढ़े पढ़ने में और सेकंड थिंग जो है बेसिक्स क्लियर होने चाहिए हमारी ट्यूशन सेंटर्स में होता है वो पहले टीचर जो होता है वो इंटरेक्टिव होता है टीचर और स्टूडेंट के दरमियान बॉन्डिंग होती है जिससे कि अपना जो बच्चा है वो अपने क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकता है स्कूल में क्या होता है स्कूल में जो बच्चा वो डरता है अपने क्वेश्चन अपने ही क्वेश्चन वो डरता है करने से क्योंकि बॉन्डिंग नहीं होती है टीचर और स्टूडेंट की तरफ सेकंड थिंग जो है कोचिंग सेंटर्स में क्या होता है वहाँ पे बेसिक हमारे कलर करवाते हैं जो स्कूल में नहीं करवाते तो हमें स्कूल में टीचर को क्या करना होता है उसको बेसिक्स क्लियर करवाने होते हैं और सेकंड थर्ड थिंग जो होती है वो कोचिंग सेंटर्स में क्या करते हैं प्रॉपर्ली नोट्स बनाते हैं हमें टेस्ट देते हैं तो स्कूल में हमें थर्ड थिंग क्या करनी चाहिए हमें प्रॉपर्ली टेस्ट होने चाहिए स्कूल में रखने चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स को प्रॉपर्ली नोट्स बनाने चाहिए स्कूल में
very excellent response I agree with you 101% because basic के लिए हम as a teachers somewhere we are lagging behind और दूसरी चीज है we should keep a cordial relationship with our students cordial relationship we should not
होनी चाहिए उतनी भी नहीं स्टूडेंट खुद का ही क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट करते
exactly good response good I appreciate you for this question in this note alhamdulillah it was a very informative group discussion between these brilliant brains brilliant students with this note I bid you goodbye Allah Taala aapko salamat rakhe thank you very much shukriya